You're welcome to AppFix and End channel. My name is Daniel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to recover your Phantom wallet without seed face. So actually, I lost my Phantom wallet, this one right here on the screen. I lost it and I was able to recover it back. That is why I'm making this video, because sometimes you might actually lose your seed face and you won't be able to get back your Phantom wallet. But in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly I got my back. So I'm going to actually log out from this app entirely. Let me simply go to my phone settings like this and search for Phantom wallet. So I want to show you something. Clicking on Phantom wallet like this, I'm going to go ahead and click on storage. Then at the bottom here, you can see clear data. Click on that and click on delete like this. Once you do that, it is actually going to restart the app. So I want to log out entirely from the app to show you how I actually got it back when I lost mine. So this is what you can easily do. Looking here, when you go to your Phantom wallet like this, you're going to see two options: create a new wallet and I already have a wallet. So you already have a wallet, you want to recover your wallet. Clicking on I already have a wallet like this, and looking here, you can see other wallets. You can see continue with email, you can see other import option. So other import options actually means you using your seed face or importing your private key or connecting it to a hardware wallet. So if you have any of these options, you can actually use any of these options to recover your Phantom wallet back. But if you don't have these options, you can see the option of continue with Gmail. Most probably you must know your Gmail. Now if you don't know your Gmail, there is no way you can actually get your account back without knowing your Gmail or having your seed face or private key or connect hardware wallets. So this is what you can simply do. You can get it back without your seed face by using your email like this, by clicking on continue with email. Now here you can actually continue with your Apple or continue with your Google depending on the email you used in that account you created before. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and click on continue with Google like this and select the Gmail I used before in that account. So I'm going to go ahead and select the Gmail like this. So once you do that, it is now logging into the account. Now looking here, you can see enter PIN. So you need to go ahead and enter your PIN. So here I already know my PIN, but let's say you don't know your PIN. You can click on forget PIN like this, and you can see where it says open other device, go to setting. So it's actually trying to tell you here that you should go to another account on another device where your Phantom wallet is actually logged in and get your code from there by going to your security and privacy and then click on reset and reset your PIN. But here, if you click on I've done all the steps, it is actually going to land you back right here. So you need to go to your previous Phantom wallet account. Let's say you were previously logged into a Phantom wallet on a different device. You can go into your account on that different device and get your PIN code resetted. That is the only way you can actually reset your PIN code on Phantom wallets. But here I can actually remember my PIN, so I'm going to quickly input my PIN right here and click on continue. So when you do that, looking here, you can go ahead and turn on your device authentication and input your fingerprints or use your PIN. So when you do that, looking here, it says you are all in, get started. So you can go ahead and click on get started like this. Input your fingerprints to unlock your Phantom wallet. So once you do that, looking here, you can see that that was my account. So this is how easy it is to recover your Phantom wallet if you've lost your Phantom wallet and you can't remember your seed face. You can recover it through this way as well. Alright guys, we've come to the very end of this video. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Tell me in the comment section as well if you are still having any problem with recovering your Phantom wallet, and I'm going to help you to fix that. Alright guys, see you in the next one.